So as you can see before my video interrupted, all you need is you click it on, yeah, you turn the tap on. You know when it's full because watch, I show you. Mickey Green Fingers top tips of the day, you know what I mean? How easy is this watering my plant? Right, that's it. You know it's coming down and you know it's down at the bottom there, you know it's at top. You just turn the tap off. And that's it really. Mickey Green Fingers does it again. Don't forget, cheapest place, Wilco's to buy. This £2, £1.50 for that. So you're only paying £3.50 for the full setup. Shebangs. Get your hose pipe, use your hose pipe, cut a bit off, 2 meters, boom, down the pipe, slats in, connect it up, job's a good one. Bish bash boss. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Mickey Green.